I'll show you different brushes that you can use for the waterfalls and for those flowers. Look, they're so pretty. So just move it around, little circles. Just move it around. Closer, here, yeah. And down. Bring another one down here. So it's good to have a little bit of good. Now we're going to take our palette knife, just so I can show you how to use your palette knife. Maybe just some blue, my ultramarine blue, and what else? Any dark colors. Do some of the shadow on the bottom, okay? I'm going to add a little more white, just to bring it out more. Might be in shadow over here. Our colors. Right, you get all these different colors on your brush, and then you lay them down here. So I'm thinking the sun is probably popping in around there somewhere. So I'm going to take my big brush, alright, and I'm going to put a bit of white and yellow on it. Not much, look, you can see I'm not doing very much. So this is the last of it now, and I don't want to ruin it. There we go. See, that gives nice. See, look how pretty that is. That is really nice. Maybe. See, I get kind of carried away, so I'll leave it alone. You can decide what more you want to do there. Alright, I think I'll call that finished. And just other things you can do with it. You can probably put a little bit of a shadow down there under the rock just to say that it's a highlight. Reflection, I should say. A little reflection on the rock if you want to. Just a little bit, not much. You know, these little details are nice. Just little details. All kinds of things you can do. So you got your shimmer on your water and your... Okay, so that's it. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you're going to do this painting. I'd love to see your paintings. I really enjoy it when you send me your paintings. And so I will say that this is finished, and I will see you in the next video. Signing off from Allison Pryor. Happy painting, everybody.